Good evening, sir. This is my topic about recommended constructions of watertight blockades in ship as per SOLAS regulations. Watertight integrity is the cornerstone of maritime safety. Availability of ships remain afloat despite the sharp damage and directly linked to the effectiveness of leads, high and compartments. The compartments are created by watertight blockades, and the third conclusion is usually regulated by the international conventions for the safety of life as Asia SOLAS. This report details the key of recommendations of watertight blockheads constructions as the outline of SOLAS regulations. It is important of note that these are the minimum standards and national regulations or classifications. Society requirements may have add further classifications. Next is the critical role of watertight blockheads. Watertight blockheads are the structural barriers that divided of ship hull of the regulator cells compartment. Their primary purpose of contains the egress of water and the event of hull damage by providing of free flow of water through the vessel's day. Ang mga blockades ay dapat na gawin mula sa mga materials na may sapat na lakas at hindi tinatagos ng tubig. Ang bakal na pinakakaraniwang material, ngunit ang ibang materials ay maaring maaprubahan batay sa disenyo at mga salik sa operasyon. The next is limit and extent of flooding. Restricting the water of single or limit the number of compartments. Next is maintain buoyancy. Ensure the vessels remains afloat even with some compartments flooded. Next is preserve stability. Reducing the risk of capacitating with the innovate with the descriptions from flooding. Enhance safety. Providing time for damage control and including crew and passengers evacuations.
SOLAS regulation and construction requirements. SOLAS Chapter 2 for 1 Regulations 12 and its associated amendments provide the framework for watertight bulkheads construction. Key requirements include material selection. Bulkheads must be constructed by materials possessing sufficient strength and impermeability. Steel is the most prevalent material, but other materials may be approved based on design and operational factors. The thickness of the material is calculated based on factors like hydrostatic pressure and anticipated impact forces and the overall structural integrity of the vessel. Ang mga bulkheads ay dapat na gawin mula sa mga materyales na may sapat na lakas at hindi tinatagos ng tubig. Ang bakal ang pinakakaraniwang material. Ngunit ang mga materyales ay maraming maprubahan batay sa disensya at mga salik sa operasyon. Construction methods. The construction methods must guarantee watertightness and structural robustness. Welding is commonly used for steel bulkheads, demanding precise execution and rigorous quality control. All welds must be thoroughly inspected and tested to prevent leakage, leakage. Any penetration piece cables, ventilation ducts must be sealed using approved methods to maintain the integrity of bulkheads. Ang mga paraang paggawa ay dapat na magagarantiya ang watertightness and structural robustness. Ang welding ay karaniwang ginagamit para sa mga steel bulkheads na nangangailangan ng tumpok na pagpatupad at mahigpit na kontrol sa kalidad. Ang lahat ng welding ay dapat na lubusang siyasatin at subukan upang maiwasan ang pagtaas. Door and opening specifications. Watertight doors and other openings in bulkheads are subject to strict SOLAS standards. These doors must be capable of withstanding significant water pressure, be easily operable during emergencies, and easily be remotely controllable from a center location like the ship's bridge. Regular testing and maintenance are crucial for ensuring the continued functionally. Ang mga watertight door at iba pang mga bukana sa mga bulkhead ay ilalim sa mahigpit na mga pamamantayan ng SOLAS. Ang mga pintuan ito ay dapat na makatiis ng malaking presyon ng tubig, madaling mapaandar sa mga emergency, at sa isip ay maaring kontrolado mula sa isang sentral na lokasyon tulad ng tulay na barko. Testing and inspection. SOLAS mandates regular and truth testing and inspection to verify the ongoing watertight integrity of the bulkheads. This typically involves pressure testing of the compartments to identify any leaks and assessing the structural condition of the bulkhead itself. Comprehensive documentation of the test and inspection must be kept. Nautos daw ng SOLAS ang regular at lubusang pagsusuri at inspeksyon upang mapatunayan ang patuloy na watertight integrity ng mga bulkhead. Location and spacing. The location and spacing of bulkheads are determined based on the ship size, type, and intended use. Calculations consider various potential damage scenarios to minimize the impact of flooding on stability and buoyancy. Ang mga lokasyon at pagitan ng mga bulkhead ay tinutukoy batay sa laki, uri at inilaang gamit ng barko. Kalkulado ang mga ito na isinasalang-alang ang iba't ibang mga potensyal na sitwasyon ng pinsala upang mabawasan ang epekto ng pagbaha sa katatagan ng buoyancy. Ongoing maintenance and compliance. Maintaining the watertight integrity of bulkheads is an ongoing responsibility. Regular inspection, preventive maintenance, and prompt repairs are crucial for ensuring sustained compliance with SOLAS regulations. Any observed damage or deterioration must be addressed immediately to provide compromising the vessel's structural integrity and safety. Ang pagpamanatili daw ng watertight integrity ng mga bulkhead ay isang patuloy na responsibilidad. Ang regular na inspeksyon, preventive maintenance at agarang pagkukumpuni ay mahalaga para sa pagtiyak ng pagtuloy sa pagsunod sa mga regulasyon ng SOLAS. Conclusion. The construction of watertight bulkheads according to SOLAS standard is not merely a regulatory requirement, it is a crucial factor in ensuring maritime safety. By adhering to these regulations, shipbuilders and operators contribute to minimize the risk of catastrophic flooding, protecting both the vessel and its occupants. The continued maintenance and rigorous testing are equally important for maintaining this crucial safety for future. Thank you, sir. That's all. Thank you.